Hey guys, all Jack No Trades here. It's day 31 of the RX7 project, and today we are doing a little bit of Iron Decon. Anyone who has detailed cars knows that after a while there's a lot of buildup of rust and just general fallout on the wheels and the paint. Things like this, contaminants, you can't even get off with normal detailing spray. This one, spray it on all you want, but it's not going to come off. That's where this comes in. What you do, as I started already working on this wheel, just spray it on, wait around 5 to 10 minutes, and then in this particular Iron Decon, it turns purple, and that's when you know it's ready to wipe down. I'm gonna do this for this wheel, for all of the other wheels, and just see the before and after. By the way, Iron Decon I'm using is from Chemical Guys. This one was around like $19, so not exactly the cheapest. I might switch to something else in the future, but definitely works. I already used up like half the bottle for this one wheel right here. I sprayed it down, sprayed it with some regular detailer and water, wiped it off. But if you can see, there's still a lot more iron and just contaminants on it, so I'll just keep using it. The smell, it's a little bit unbearable. The best way I can describe it is a mix of gasoline, burning rubber, and tomato juice. I don't think it's safe to breathe in, so spray it down and then walk away for a little bit. Right now I just took off the wheel to make it easier to actually wash, and some things I learned is breathing this in, the Iron Decon, it makes me a bit nauseous, and getting it on my skin also makes me kind of irritated, so just be wary of that. I looked up the chemical data sheet on this. There isn't anything wrong with breathing this in. It won't make any long-term health effects, but try to do it in like open air so you don't breathe it in. Anyway, other than using this, I just use some detailer spray on here, and then I've been also rotating in some Dawn Platinum dish soap just to get off all the grime. I'm just taking it slow. It's a long-term project, so one step at a time. It's the next day. I got done with those two wheels over there, and let me show you the results. This is the old one. I haven't touched this at all. I haven't washed it. There's a lot of dirt, grime, buildup right here. And going to the new one with the Iron Decon, here it is. Big difference. Now, there's still some specks over here. This white stuff, also some of this dark browner bits. I might just have to use more Iron Decon on that for these white parts. I asked some guys, they say it's oxidation, and if you don't do some sanding or polishing, you can't get it off. So that's a project for the future. But until then, hope you have a good one.